Welcome to a new video. Today we're looking at the tallest mountains on Earth that touch the sky to the lowest places that are mysterious and they're far below sea level. Let's go ahead and dive straight into it. And please, if you could, drop a like and subscribe so I can keep making videos like this to help you keep improving your English. The first location on our list is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. It stands at 8,848 meters above sea level, which makes it the tallest mountain in the world. It's so tall that at the top the air is so thin that people find it hard to breathe. There's not much oxygen in the air, so they need an oxygen tank on their backs to be able to climb. It's the tallest mountain in the world and the tallest mountain in Asia. It's located in the Himalayas, which is a mountain range between Nepal and China. Mount Everest is a very popular destination for climbers to test themselves, to try and reach the summit, but over 300 people have died trying to reach the summit because it's very dangerous to try and climb the mountain. The next mountain on the list is located in Argentina in the Andes, and it's called Aconcagua. It stands at 6,960 meters, which makes it the tallest mountain in South America. It's not as challenging to climb as Mount Everest because of the height difference. The altitude is still very high. The oxygen level is still very low at the peak, so it's difficult to breathe at the summit. Aconcagua is surrounded by glaciers and mountains, which make it an amazing visual sight as well. The tallest mountain in North America is called Denali or Mount McKinley, and it's 6,190 meters tall. It's considered to be a more challenging climb than Mount Everest because of extreme weather conditions and technical difficulty. Denali is a difficult mountain to spot because it's often surrounded by clouds, which make it hard to see from a distance. If we move on to Africa, we find Mount Kilimanjaro, which rises to 5,895 meters above sea level in the savannah of Tanzania. It's the tallest mountain in Africa, and it's a popular choice for climbers because it doesn't require technical skills of other mountains. It's an easier ascent. It's unique because its peak is covered in snow, and whilst it's located at the equator, which makes it unique because it's snowy at the top, but very warm at the bottom. The last high place on the list is Mount Elbrus, which is in Russia. It's the tallest mountain in Europe, and it stands at 5,642 meters above sea level. Mount Elbrus is a dormant volcano, which means it's asleep, and it's considered to be one of the 7 summits. The 7 summits are each of the tallest mountains on each continent. Now it's time to look at the lowest places on Earth. The deepest, lowest point on Earth that is known is the Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. It's almost 11 kilometers below sea level, which means that you could fit Mount Everest inside it and the peak still wouldn't be above sea level. The depth which it reaches is so inaccessible because of pressure of water that only a few explorers have reached the bottom, and there's a lot of mystery as to what type of creatures live at the bottom of the ocean. Mysterious creatures that we know more about things that live in space than live there. The Sea of Galilee is the second lowest freshwater body in the world, freshwater lake. It's 209 meters below sea level, and it's a historic lake. It's famous for its religious significance in the Bible, which makes it an important destination for tourists and for pilgrims. That wraps up the video for today. We looked at high places on Earth and low places on Earth. Would you like to go to any of these places? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video and you want me to make more like this, please give it a like, a comment, and subscribe because it helps me out and that I can keep making videos like this and you can keep improving. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon, very soon.